In this video, let's see the 35mm wheel spacers before and after.
After installing the 35mm wheel spacers, it can reduce the gap between the tire and the fender. This improves the cosmetic and stability. Most trucks look better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced. Consider a proper set of 35mm wheel spacers. If you are trying to achieve a unique sporty look, 35mm wheel spacers will add about 35mm back spacing for your wheels. Whether you are upgrading to larger diameter wheels or bigger performance brakes, getting the back spacing correct will eliminate most friction problems. If you add 35mm wheel spacers on each wheel, that adds up to a total of 70mm track width. You don't have to worry about the wheels hitting the fender after installing 35mm spacers. If you are concerned that the spacers will cause vibration, recommend that you buy high-quality half-century wheel spacers. A half-century wheel spacer comes with a half-century lift to transition. The protrusion may extend a few millimeters beyond the half-century lift of the wheel spacer on some vehicles. In this case, you will need to change to wheel spacers with thinner half-century lifts. For a better fit of the wheel spacers to the hub projection, use BONOSS half-century 35mm wheel spacers. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right half-century wheel spacers, there is no problem. The position of the BONOSS truck wheel spacers has reached 0.02mm. Precise truck wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability. They also ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. 35mm wheel spacers fit perfectly on the truck. The wheel spacers push the wheel out slightly, unlike these outstands. Remember to install the same size of wheel spacers on the wheels as well.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.